services rendered by outstanding services rendered by officers and staff. So, Voltage division occupies an important position in the Indian Railway network. It's very remarkable performance. Some of the highlights I will just quickly rush through so that it reminds you of your whole contribution in 1920. The Visakhapatnam Railway Station bagged National Tourism Award for Best Tourist Friendly Railway Station in 19. We observed freight traffic growth of 7.93% in year 1920, which is best over freight loading of cumulative 66.83 million tons. Passenger earnings were also up by 10.83% in the same financial year, and total divisional earning in year 1920 accumulated to be 8,844 crores, which itself is a record by itself. 12 numbers of level crossings were eliminated during that year. The highest track renewal of 270 kilometers work was also achieved in that financial year, surpassing the previous best of 124 kilometers, more than double. Interlocking of 3 gates was done. 75 stations were provided Wi-Fi services. 4 new non-block stations in Novapara Gunpur section were also commissioned. That 22701, 22702, VSKB Vijayawada, Uday double-decker express was started in that year. We introduced 2 numbers of battery-operated cars at Visakhapatnam station. Division ran 157 special trains during year 2019-20. Total 196 number of coaches have been augmented to various express trains during that period. Coming to passenger amenities now. New FOBs were commissioned at Simachalam, Dwada, Raigada, Jimdipeta, Ladda stations. 2 numbers of lifts were commissioned at VSKP station. Station redevelopment program was successfully completed in many stations of Voltage division. Now coming to some of the measures where first of its kind in Indian Railways, that is a thing which we can boast of. World class air conditioned relaxing lawn with comfortable cushioned seats was provided at platform number 8 of Visakhapatnam station, and entertainment zone for children gaming was also installed at platform number 1 at VSKP station. Car display project under NINF RIS scheme to enhance non-fare revenue was also done. A human interactive interface system, a combination of digital kiosk and digital billboard with free mobile calling with anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Mural art of Mahatma Gandhi was done at circulating area of VSKP station near gate number 2. Divyang toilets were commissioned in 27 stations of Voltage division during this period. At Darlipur station, 32 numbers of quarters were renovated by provision of vitrified floor tiles and many other facilities which were never there in the past. And 26 distressed women were rescued during April 19 to December 19. Segways at VSKP railway station was introduced to enhance the security. 48 CCTV cameras were commissioned under vehicle surveillance system installed at VSKP gate number 2. I am also glad to remind you that we introduced the facility of GoPro cameras and dog squad as well as body worn cameras during 2019-20. KK and KR line to VSKP and nearby area was issued and successfully implemented. 333 grievances were finalized and 42 compassionate cases were cleared. First time in Indian Railways, joining Mela was organized at Visakhapatnam division for facilitating 663 candidates newly recruited for Indian Railways in the month of September 2019. Women Empowerment Camp was organized in the division in November 19. Adalat for Employment Assistance on Compassionate Grounds was organized in the division again in November 19, where 39 cases were resolved. Volunteer is known for its sports activities also. So some of the activities to highlight here are: sports theme-based wall graffiti paintings were done all around the stadium and the football ground.